Hey guys, we are in Magnolia, Texas, a little area of Texas called the Woodlands. We are at a luxury garage for a Cars and Coffee.
It's gonna be a long, long time till I can forgive and forget. Said it's gonna be a long, long time. And baby, it's not time. Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, today is Cars and Coffee Lafayette. We are here at Mendoza Ford, the Ford GT Mark IV, one of 67 made that we will have out on the lot. Right now it's locked up inside. We're just waiting for somebody to get here, let us in so we can bring it outside. I'll show you the display inside. Ford GT Mark IV. There are only 67 of them being built. I have now seen 2. This car is beautiful. Show is over, but we still have a $2 million Ford GT sitting out here. So what do you do when you have a hyper car like this? You of course you have to push it back to the dealership. So we're waiting on a little small guy to get in it because none of us will fit in there. We might fit, we'll never get out.
I couldn't even get in that thing.
Jeez, good Lord. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell to let you know when new videos are live.